Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Loom and signing into your account. Make sure permissions are granted so Loom can access your camera, mic, and screen. First, pick the recording mode Screen plus Camera to show your face and content, Screen only to focus on visuals, or Camera only for a webcam clip. Once chosen, select the specific screen, window, or tab you want to record. Stay focused on one window to avoid distractions. This reduces editing time later and keeps your message clear. You now configure inputs. Pick the microphone and camera, then tap the quick test to confirm levels so your voice sounds natural. Next, enable system audio only if you need app sounds, otherwise disable to avoid noise. Choose full screen, window, or tab recording and use the 3-2-1 countdown to compose your shot. Once ready, press record and use annotations or click to highlight to draw attention. These small actions guide viewers and reduce the need for long explanations. You finish by hitting stop. Loom uploads automatically, then open the editor to trim the start and end so the clip feels professional. Add a clear title and description, download an MP4 for backups, or copy the share link to distribute instantly. Make sure privacy settings match your audience before sending. If something goes wrong, for example, no audio, check microphone permissions in OS settings, select the right device in Loom, and restart the app. That resolves most recording issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.